I've seen buyers choose new construction and regret it. I've seen buyers choose resale and regret it. The difference wasn't the home, it was whether they understood what they were actually choosing before they signed. This video fixes that. One of the most common questions I get from out-of-state buyers, especially those coming from markets where new construction is rare or expensive, is this: should I buy new construction or an existing resale home in North Palm Beach County? And the honest answer is that depends on three things: your timeline, your priorities, and what your budget actually buys in each category. In this video, I'm breaking it all down so you can make an informed decision before you ever start looking at listings. First, the case for new construction. Everything is new and under warranty. The roof, AC systems, plumbing, all new, all under manufacturer or builder warranty. For buyers coming from older housing markets up north, this is a significant stress reducer. In active new construction communities, you can often choose your lot, floor plan, elevation, flooring, countertops, finishes, and you're buying a home that reflects your taste rather than someone else's renovation choices. A new home built to current Florida building codes with a hip roof, impact windows, and modern construction standards qualify for significantly better insurance rates than older resale homes. In today's Florida insurance market, this is a meaningful financial advantage. Active communities frequently offer closing cost assistance, rate buydowns, or upgrade packages, especially toward the end of a quarter when they're trying to hit sales targets. These incentives can represent real value if the timing is right. I can identify timing strategies that will work in your favor. The most active new constructive story in North Palm Beach County right now is Avenir in Palm Beach Gardens, a master planned community on the western edge of the city that's been building out across multiple builders and price points. I've done a dedicated video on Avenir. If you want a deep dive, the link is in the description. But in short, it offers that rare combination of brand new construction with a thoughtfully planned community infrastructure, including its own parks, pools, and trail system. Lot selection, builder choice, and phase timing all matter there. And that's where having an agent in your corner from the beginning makes a real difference. And if new construction means a high-rise condo for you, this market has options worth knowing about. I've done a full series on the luxury new construction condominium pipeline in North Palm Beach County, including the Ritz-Carlton residences in Palm Beach Gardens, Haven in Palm Beach Shores, and Coretta in Juno Beach, all of which are bringing resort-caliber finishes and amenities to buyers who want new construction without the single-family build timeline. Those videos are linked below as well. The catch with all new construction: it sells quickly, and the best lots, phases, and pre-sale pricing windows close fast. In new construction, if that's your preference, you need someone watching inventory before it ever hits Zillow. Second, the case for resale. Established neighborhoods. Resale homes sit in communities with mature landscaping, known HOA track records, and neighbors who have lived there for years. You know what you're buying into socially and structurally. A resale purchase can close in 30 to 45 days. New construction timelines run 8 to 14 months when buying at the start of a build. If your relocation has a deadline driven by job start date or school year, resale is often only the practical option. The most desirable streets, lots, and school zones in Jupiter are largely built out. If location is your top priority, waterfront, specific school zones, walkability to a particular area, Resale gives you access to inventory that new construction simply cannot replicate. In a resale transaction, you're negotiating with a motivated individual seller. Builders have pricing structures that they rarely deviate from. With the right market conditions and the right property, Resale can offer more room to work. Here's the framework I use with every client facing this decision. If your timeline is flexible, you want modern finishes and insurance cost is a priority, look hard at new construction. If you have a fixed timeline, a specific location in mind, or if you want an established neighborhood with immediate occupancy, Resale is likely your path. And here's the nuance most people miss. In North Palm Beach County right now, well-maintained resale homes from the 2000s and 2010s with updated roofs, impact windows, and other updates can offer insurance rates comparable to new construction while sitting in neighborhoods and on streets that new construction simply cannot access. That combination represents strong values that buyers often overlook. Builder representation is one more thing I want to address directly. If you're considering new construction, please use a buyer's agent. Sales representatives in the model home work for the builder. Their job is to sell you that home at the best price for the builder. Having your own representation costs you nothing. Builders pay the buyer agent commissions and gives you someone in your corner reviewing the purchase agreement, flagging upgraded pricing, and helping you navigate the process. Don't walk into a builder's sales office alone. Here's the thing, both paths work. Both have produced great outcomes for my relocation clients. The key is knowing which one fits your specific situation, and that's exactly what a relocation strategy call is for. The link to schedule is in the description. For more detailed information about North Palm Beach County, download my free relocation guide. That link is also in the description. And if you found this useful, drop a comment below and subscribe for new content like this every week. Until then, take care of yourself and remember, your next chapter is your best.